Hi guys, welcome to Python tutorial. This is a continuous session to the string literals. So let us go ahead and start. So here I am going to define string user input equal to this is testing, and now we have a method to verify whether the particular string starts with the given word or not, like starts with, and here you can specify the word, like on what basis, that means prefix, whether on what basis the you want to check the comparison. Here I'm passing this. Now what happens is this starts method is going to check whether the given user input is going to start with this particular word or not. As this starts with this, then it is returning true, else it is going to return false. And also you can specify the range also starts with, because if you don't provide any range, then it is going to look for the starting of the particular starting position of the particular string. But if you pass the position, for example, I want to look for the is, and the range what I am specifying it is going to start with the 4, and then uh, length of user input. So I want to check till end. If it is here false, so what we can do is copy and paste. Ideally this is going to start from the 5th. Yeah, so if you see here, is the position which is going to start from the 5th position, so hence it is going to return true. So starts method, basically if you don't provide any start and end range, then it is going to look for the starting position. Otherwise, based on the begin position what you are going to specify, based on that it is going to verify. And similarly we have the another method to check whether it is going to end with the string should be end with the particular word, then it is going to return, that is user input dot ends with. Again, here the string is ending with the testing, let us consider. Okay, so testing, so this is going to return as true. Similarly this also takes the starting and end position. Based on that also it is going to check whether the particular word is matching, that means particular word is ending with or not. For example, here we can specify is, sorry, here is, and I want to check for the ends with, ends with, and is. Now I have to say this is from the 0 till um, till, so 5 6 7. If I put the 7, then ideally, sorry, uh, user input dot ends with is, starting position is 0 comma and ends, let us say 7, then true, because 0 to 7 means the string till it comes till here. So ideally is going to ends, hence it is returns true. So this is for the starts and ends. Now for example, if a string contains any spaces, as part of the user input, if you want to remove the spaces, how we can do that is going, that we are going to see here. So user input equal to, I am going to padding with the spaces and testing. Okay, so now user input dot strip, we have the method called as a strip. So this strip, what it is going to do is it is going to trim the spaces for the left side and the both as well as, sorry, both the left and right sides. If there is any padding happens with these spaces, then it is going to remove. And similarly if you want to remove only for the left side, then user input dot l strip. So this is going to remove only for the left hand side if there is any padding, any spaces are there. For example, if you want to remove the spaces from the right side, then user input dot r strip. Okay, so it is going to remove from the right hand side. Okay, so now let us consider if you want to replace some value from the if you want to replace particular word with the another word, then how we are going to handle that use case. So this is testing. Now I want to replace is with the some other word, then input dot replace is with replace. If you see here, is point two times, is two times it has found, so it has replaced both the places. Okay, so this is the method is used to replace the given string with the whatever the existing string with the new string. Okay, so next one is user input dot, if you want to look for is there any space contains, is space, sorry, is space. So what this method is going to do is it looks for the it looks for the string, and if the string contains only spaces, then it is going to return true. For example, user input equal to, I am defining only space, and now user input dot is space, then this time it is going to return true. Okay, so we have seen for the, is there any other methods? Let me see, strip we have done, and then join. So join method is basically used to join multiple strings with the delimiter. So what I mean to say here is I am defining a string array. So this is Java and C and C++. This is the string array. Now I want to separate each word with the some delimiter. For example, separator equal to hash. Okay, now I want to join this list with this basically this separator. Now how I can do is separator dot join, and I can pass the list. Now if I see the output, sorry, typo error, separator dot join list 1. Okay, if you see here, now each word is actually it is going to separated by using the hash. So this is how the join method is going to work. And then we have the split method. So what split method is going to do is, so input, sorry, user input equal to, this is testing for split. Now you can specify the split, you can pass the delimiter here, input dot split, and here it is going to expect you for the separator on what basis it has to basically separate this particular string into the words. It will going to convert the string array, then string, this user input it will take, and a split method is going to return the string array. So if I enter here, you will see here it is going to separate it based on the space, and it has converted this one into a string array. Okay, so this is the this is how you need to use the split method. And one more method is there, that is user, yeah, we already given this is the testing for split, right? We have the method called as a this one swap case. Then what happens is it is whatever the case currently it is going to swap to the different. So swap case. If you see here, this is all the letters are in the lowercase. Hence, this method is going to convert this one into the uppercase. If it is in uppercase, then it is going to return. It is going to convert to the lowercase. Okay, so I think I covered all the methods. Hope you are clear with the how you can use the string methods in Python. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.